All aboard the game train, boys. I'm your hobo, Franklin.
And Conductor Steven.
Start revving up those engines.
All right.
Whoa, Frank!
Whoa, whoa! Did I just see what I thought I saw?
Yeah, you did.
You wonder what I saw? I think I saw Josh going towards your garage. I saw like some more.
Yeah,
like speed motion. So I
he
thought.
was doing some random rotational pulling action. I'm like,
No, we'll just get to this straight. Did Josh really jerk you off?
yes.
You do not want to say what you saw.
What a way to start an episode.
Josh, what the heck?
Anyway, this start might take a little while, so you guys go off some random tangents or whatever.
Meanwhile, Frank is your hobo Franklin.
I'm your hobo
I'm Conductor Steven. And Josh is the gay big dog.
The very big dog.
That was what? I mean,
Josh, we literally were so sketched out we didn't introduce ourselves, okay?
I am just confused. I saw a trigger video, by the way. Anyway,
Don't be confused, it's Josh.
You're sorry, I forgot. Anyway, this one might take a little while, so you guys can go on some random tangents to whatever.
Random tangents to whatever, eh?
Or whatever. Because this one will take a while.
I am a big.
Oh, you're big. Oh, you're big, all right, Josh.
Yeah. Big, freaky.
Ah!
Whoa!
Oh.
Hey guys, what? So what do you guys have plans for Easter Sunday?
Go to church.
Okay.
Celebrate Resurrection Sunday. Then we're gonna hang out with the Ohio family over at my cousin's place in Green, and yeah.
Yay!
Josh?
Pretty much the same, you know.
Really? You gonna visit your cousin in Green?
No.
Ooh, Josh,
It's not the
Josh's
same.
cousin in Green, eh?
It's not the same.
Steve, want to get her number? Just kidding.
What?
No.
No. What's
Josh,
wrong?
after what you just did to me, why would I want the number of any of your relatives?
But see, here's a better question. Did it feel good?
No.
Did you like it?
All right.
No, it was terrible.
So Josh essentially just molested you.
Yes.
Okay.
At first we were joking, Josh, but now
That
it's
was
serious.
worse than the Alabama incident.
It's a traumatic experience for Steven.
Did you resist?
Yes.
Yes, he did. I was witnessing myself.
That's also why the lamp fell earlier in another episode, Josh, because you decided to do something similar. I tried to.
I don't do anything.
I don't do anything.
But think about legit though.
After I start an episode, just squeezing a man's thigh, I fall asleep, and if anyone says something, just in a snoring voice, I go, I did not have sexual relations.
With Stephen Thomas. No, but think about it. Think how weird it would be if for legit though, that Josh just went up, pulled Steven's pants down, and started doing that. Just think how weird that would be.
I mean, they did move.
Steven,
I grabbed them.
pull your pants down.
I didn't mean to actually do it.
Execute Order 69.
Oh my gosh. Well, good as this, we're about halfway done the star, so.
And halfway done with this episode, thank goodness.
Really?
Oh, you got 6 minutes.
I would say that's a halfway, Steven.
We're halfway there.
Well, apparently Steven's halfway there after that happened.
Yeah, that was a little too more than halfway.
He went all the way. He just ignored first and second base, went for the third.
That was a 69.69% of the way.
We're not going in.
Dan, I don't care about you, Gilboard.
Gilboard.
Gil.
You guys ever seen Gilligan's Island?
On a 3-hour tour.
A 3-hour tour.
The skipper
The professor and...
Professor.
I've read the rest of the song. It is that's like a classic TV show.
5 minutes.
Yeah, don't be surprised when it takes the whole entire episode because it's like a giant skeleton bites.
So, are you going to prom,
No.
viewers?
They don't even know what their problem's at.
Yeah, Josh, and you didn't say what school either. So.
And is
No.
Steven going to prom?
No.
Yes, that would be.
Josh, do you think I'd step foot in the same building with you after what you just
I'm going with Joel.
So you just cheated on Joel with Steven. You
Yeah.
realize that.
Before you took Joel on your date. That's hard.
No,
That's
I asked
harsh.
Joel about it. He's okay with it.
He's not.
He's okay with.
You did not ask Joel because he's
So
not
you're
a
telling me-
homosexual man like you.
You're telling me he's okay with you jerking off Steven.
And you're also telling me that he puts up with following you around in purple dresses. Yeah,
Yes.
right.
He's
Where has this conversation gone to?
I don't
okay,
know.
more or less.
Please, someone redeem this before it gets too dark.
I think it's too late, Steven.
Yeah, I think so too.
I think the moment when I saw Josh doing that thing, I think it went way down deep down there.
Frank, can you call this episode
Gay?
confirmation that Josh is gay?
So
I'm sorry that Franklin saw me approach Steven from behind.
Josh, you shouldn't care whether anyone saw it.
I like how
do it.
I like how Josh came less illogical and more gay. That's what essentially happened. He came less illogical and more gay.
Which is weird because he stopped doing the Steve My Train phase.
I know that was
Yes.
that was the thing.
That was...
You know what? The funny thing is, our first episodes, I referenced that.
Yep.
It just shows how long ago we started Let's Play.
Yeah.
Alright, this is
See, I'm paying Spanish yesterday.
Yay, we're almost done, guys. Don't worry. Only 9 more coins to go. This one is extremely long and boring. So I'm kind of glad Josh actually did it, so there's something to talk about. That was weird. Any more tangents? We're almost done.
Not really.
Gee, thanks.
Oh, it's all the way over there. Better hope I don't die. Better hope I don't die. Oh no, I'm thinking about a long jump off the ledge. Oh, no, I'm just kidding.
I'm gonna jump in my noose.
Jump in my noose. I give up. I give up. These ongoing missions took forever.
I basically beat the game, but I'm just gonna quit now.
Well,
Yes.
okay, you know what? That's the sayonara.
I mean, what's the point of being successful in New York? They're just gonna tax me.
Wait, so is it
I'm
notice
moving-
in the black hole?
What? No one said anything about black hole.
Yeah.
And
And if the dish is in the black hole, the juice is gone.
jeez, that took forever. How long did that take, Steven?
You have 1 minute 40 seconds.
Jeez, that took almost the whole entire episode. I hate scavenger hunts like these. They take forever. But the worst scavenger hunts yet to come. Freeze flame. Freeze flame.
Shit, man.
But
Shin Man.
that still remains our most viewed video.
I know.
How many does it get?
It's got like 52.
Really?
Yeah.
Okay, which one's a quick one I can do? I guess we can do this one quick. Okay, we'll have to do the one that found and it will be the end of the episode, Steven.
110.
So you might as well just turn the timer off. I'm gonna do this one quick and we're gonna call it in.
Shin Man.
Shin Man.
Oh, hey there, buddy. I got this new shin splint technology. I'm gonna help save you from
Wait.
71 days
Wow.
on the bench. I'm just gonna open up my binder
Hey,
and dump
hey, guys.
everything out, and that's my product.
Hey guys, I think this is like a 100th episode, by the
Hey
way.
Frank,
What?
you wanted to know how close Josh came? Look, these came out of my sweat.
So you almost legit did that.
Yeah.
But Steven, did you have a boner while he was doing that?
What?
Did you have a boner while he was doing that?
Was it expanding?
Was there a tent in your pocket? Hey, your pants.
Hey, what?
A tent in your pants.
Were the electrons vibrating faster than normal?
Oh my god. Where's this
Where
episode?
they charge positive
Where-
or negative.
Where's this episode gone to?
Where your
This is
electrons being charged.
This has gone to the darkest moments of Josh's mind. Okay? Even darker than the Josh Clyde.
You know what?
moment.
But no, I'm not surprised that it's sometimes the way it is. Because when you start an episode when Josh almost jerking off Steven, I'm pretty sure you see your stand for this episode already. Yeah, this one's a quick one though. Because it's automatic and not as bad as Dreadnoughts. Right, Josh?
You're right.
Yeah, please get in thinking of something else besides.
Oh my gosh. So anyway, apparently, did you guys ever play the game of memes?
No.
It's like also apples and Cards to Humanity,
Oh,
only with memes.
I like it.
Yeah, we should play
How
sometime.
about the game of phones? You ever played that?
Phones?
Yeah.
No.
It's like a scavenger thing that you have clues and then everyone looks up stuff on their phone and whoever finds the best one. Based on what the judge thinks wins.
Oh.
Yeah,
It's just a mystery.
Yeah.
Yeah,
It's pretty cool.
Gee, dang.
Yes!
Yes.
Hey, thanks. Hey,
Get
hey,
him! Fire!
hey,
Fire.
very nice.
Fire!
You get off this time.
Hey, you help me blow up trash. Why are you blowing up me?
Because I hate you. No, sorry. Because I hate you. That's why. Anyway, this has been the game.
That's too bad. No, you gotta do it faster.
Anyway, it's been the game train when you're a little Franklin.
You're a very sketched out conductor, Steve. He's
I
gonna run for his life right now.
apologize for any sexual harassment.
And we'll see you out at Game Rail next time. Goodbye.